Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 20 questions on chapter Biotechnology Principles and Process. These questions are very much important for your NEET exam, so please go through these questions which can help you in your NEET exam. And if you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe this channel and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. So here we start our video with the first question. Question 1. Which of the following is a plasmid? A. PBr322, B. BEM second, C. Sal1, D. EcoR1. Which of the following is a plasmid? And the correct answer for the first question is A1, that is PBr322 is the correct answer. Question second. DNA probe is used in first gel electrophoresis, second Northern blotting, third DNA fingerprinting, fourth interference synthesis. DNA probe is used in, and the correct answer for the second question is third one, that is DNA fingerprinting. Question third. PBr322 is an artificial gene vector which does not have first ampicillin maker gene, second cos site, third restriction site for Cal1 enzyme, fourth RI. I repeat the question. PBr322 is an artificial gene vector which does not have. And the answer for the third question is second one, that is cos site. Question fourth. The first resistant endonuclease discovered is A. Hind3, B. Hind2, C. EcoR1, D. EcoR2. The first restriction endonuclease discovered is, and the correct answer is B1, that is Hind2 is the correct answer. Question 5. The Roman number following the name of restriction enzyme indicate A. Order in which enzyme is isolated from strain of bacteria, B. Number of enzyme, C. Order of enzyme, D. None of the above. Answer for the fifth question is A1, that is order in which enzyme is isolated from strain of bacteria. Question 6. Restriction endonuclease enzyme are used to cut A. Single-stranded RNA, B. Double-stranded DNA, C. Single-stranded DNA, D. Double-stranded RNA. I repeat the question. Restriction endonuclease enzyme are used to cut, and the correct answer for the sixth question is B, that is double-stranded DNA. Question 7th. Agarose is extracted from A. Seaweed, B. Blue-green algae, C. Ephedra, D. Sargassum. I repeat the question. Agarose is extracted from, and the correct answer for the seventh question is A1, that is seaweed. Question 8. The function of ODE in a vector is A. Help in replication of linked DNA, B. Control copy number of the linked DNA, C. Help in selecting recombinant, D. Both A and B. I repeat the question. The function of ODE in a vector is, and the correct answer for the eighth question is D, that is both A and B. A and B. But correct answer here is D. Question 9. Primers are A. Small chemically synthesized oligonucleotides of about 10 to 18 nucleotides that are complementary to the region of template DNA. B. Chemically synthesized oligonucleotide of about 10 to 18 nucleotides that are not complementary to the gene of template DNA. C. The double-stranded DNA that need to be amplified. D. Specific sequence present on recombinant DNA. Primers are, and the correct answer for the ninth question is A, that is small chemically synthesized oligonucleotides of about 10 to 18 nucleotides that are complementary to the regions of template DNA. Question 10. A bioreactor is A. Hybridoma, B. Culture containing radioactive isotopes, C. Culture for synthesis of new chemicals, D. Fermentation tank. A bioreactor is, and the correct answer is D, that is fermentation tank. Question 11th. Read the statement about gene gun method. First, the method is also known as ballistic technique. Second, in this method, cells are bombarded with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with DNA in plant. Third, important crops like maize, rice and wheat have now been transformed by this method. Which of the statements given below are correct? Correct. For A, first and second, B, first and third, C, second and third, D, first, second and third. Read the statement about gene gun method, and the correct statement is D1, that is first, second and third one is the correct. That is all are correct here. Question 12. The role of DNA ligase in the construction of a recombinant DNA molecule is A. Formation of phosphodiester bond between two DNA fragments. B. Formation of hydrogen bond between sticky ends of DNA fragment. C. Ligation of all purine and pyrimidine bases. D. None of the above. The role of DNA ligase in the construction of a recombinant DNA molecule is, and the correct answer for the 12th question is A, that is formation of phosphodiester bond between two DNA fragments. Question 13. Genetic engineering is first, study of extranuclear gene. Second, manipulation of gene by artificial method. Third, manipulation of RNA. Fourth, manipulation of enzyme. Genetic engineering is, and the correct answer for the 13th question is second one, that is manipulation of gene by artificial method. Question 14. Chimeric DNA is first DNA which contains uracil, second DNA synthesized from RNA, third recombinant DNA, fourth DNA which contains single strand. I repeat the question. Chimeric DNA is, and the correct answer for the 14th question is third one, that is recombinant DNA. Question 15. Electroporation producer involves. Electroporation producer involves first, fast passage of food through sieve pores in phloem element with the help of electric stimulation. Second, opening of stomatal pores during night by artificial light. Third, making transient pores in the cell membrane to induce gene construct. Fourth, purification of saline water with the help of a membrane system. I repeat the question. Electroporations produce involve, and the correct answer for the 15th question is third one, that is making transient pores in the cell membrane to produce gene constructs. Question 16th. Which of the following restriction endonuclease enzyme produce blunt end in DNA? First one, BAMH1, read the sequence here. EcoR1, read the sequence here. Third, He3, read the sequence here, and all of the above. I repeat the question. Which of the following restriction endonuclease enzyme produce blunt end in DNA? And the correct answer for the 16th question is third one, that is He3 is the correct answer for the 16th question. Question 17. What is true of plasmid? First, found in viruses. Second, contains genes for vital activities. Third, part of nuclear chromosome. Fourth, widely used in gene transfer. What is true of plasmid? And the correct answer for the 17th question is fourth one, that is widely used in gene transfer. Question 18. Restriction enzyme EcoR1 cuts the DNA between base G and A only when the sequence of DNA is. First option GATATC, second GAATTC, third one GATTCC, fourth GAACTT. I repeat the question. Restriction enzyme EcoR1 coats the DNA between base G and A only when the sequence in DNA is. And the answer for the 18th question is second one, that is GATTC. Question 19. Select the incorrect match. First, transgenic mice polio vaccine. Second, rosy cow alpha lactalbumin. Third, ssDNA/RNA probe is gene therapy. Fourth, PCR molecular diagnosis. Select the incorrect match. And the answer for the 19th question is third one, that is ssDNA/RNA probe, that is gene therapy. This is incorrect match. Question 20. PBR322, which is frequently used as a vector for cloning gene, is first, an original bacterial plasmid. Second, a modified bacterial plasmid. Third, a viral genome. Fourth, a transposon. I repeat the question. PBR322, which is frequently used as a vector for cloning gene, is, and the correct answer for the 20th question is second one, that is a modified bacterial plasmid. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. If you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe this video and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. Thank you friends. Keep smiling always. Bye bye.